Hi guys, welcome to Vijay Views. I hope you guys are safe and healthy. So guys, in this video, I'd like to share my recent short trip which I've done to TK Falls. Uh, from Bangalore, whoever is watching it would clearly understand the tourist place TK Falls. So anyone from outside Bangalore, if you're watching my videos, so TK Falls is a tourist attraction, guys. You can check it on the Google. You can type TK Falls. You can check it. But the photos what you see on the Google is not the same in the actual location. You will understand when I share the video on in this video, right? You can check it out. So I just wanted to convey or give an awareness kind of an update on the video, guys. So it's a 15 to 17 kilometers travel from my friend's place. Before going itself, we clearly know that we are not going to enjoy the water. We are just going to enjoy the nature, right? So anyone who has a plan, we can ride to go to that place. You can do it. If you want to go to the uphill, you can do. You can enjoy it, but not in the water, guys. Please understand that my friend has done the same trip with his family 1 or 2 months back, and he has shared the experience. What is the exact condition, right? So the water what you see in the TK Falls is not the clean water what you think, right? It's a contaminated water, guys. So when my friend visited the place last time, someone has informed that it's a contaminated water. There's a factory which is there nearby the TK Falls. The exit, the dirty water is been connected to the falls, and that water is been uh, falling from the hill. So you might clearly understand when the water gushes out, right? You can clearly see if there is a clean water, right? There won't be any foam kind of a thing, or the water at least would be 60% clean than the contaminated one, right? So the water is not the cleanest one, even though we tried to inform few person who's playing in the water, but they are not caring anything about it. So I wanted to share it on the video so that anyone who's planning to go to the place, they can understand what I'm trying to exactly say, right? So you can enjoy the weekend, you can go to the place, enjoy the nature, you can do like a trekking, you can go uphill. But again, when you are walking on the stones, please be careful. The stones are not clean, right? There's no uh, proper management. Even though they say it's a tourist place, there's no proper management. Any small mistake happens there, it might be a huge loss. So the safety is not an exact thing there, guys. Please be safe when you're going up on the stones or uphill. Please be careful and do not enjoy in the water, right? Just you can watch the sceneries and you can come back. You can enjoy the waterfalls by just looking it, but not enjoying the water. I'll share the video right now. Please share it with your friends so that they can understand what I'm trying to convey it. As a creator, I understand my channel is not that uh, most subscribed channel. It can reach to many people's, right? As a creator, I wanted to convey it, what I felt on the place, so I am sharing it on the video, guys. Please be careful when you go next time to TK Falls. I'll see you on the next video. Please ride safe, be safe, enjoy your weekends. Thank you.